Hello again to everybody. Today in the world there are two theories that are walking side by side. One is the theory that the Earth is a sphere and is in space. Okay. The other one that is coming forth is that the Earth is flat, like a pancake, and enclosed in dome or something. Now, both theories are right and both theories are wrong, okay? Because the Earth is a living entity, is a baby in the womb, and I don't understand why many people are, so to speak, going with the sphere or the flat earth theory, because both contain some truth, but both are lies. Okay, so this video today is a video in response to one of my a person that I subscribed to, and he's sustaining that the Earth is gigantic and we are just a little crater on the moon. So yes, the moon is the reflection of the Earth. I highly recommend to you to watch my videos in which I explaining that we are in the womb and the moon is a reflection like a mirror of us. Yes, in this part he had right, because the moon is a reflection of us, but we are not just a little crater on the moon. So he made a video, and in his video is sustaining that we are living in this crater called Sulpicius Gallus, and I believe I will show you the video. So he is sustaining that we are living so this is Lacus Odi, I believe, Rime Sulpicius Gallus, that we are watching now on the moon. So Rime Sulpicius Gallus, Lacus Odi, okay. We'll cut the audio out and we'll go toward, as it is Sulpicius Gallus M. So he want to made us observe the shape, the particular shape with like a knock in this bottom part. So we will zoom and we'll try to find the Sulpicius Gallus M. That we are, so to speak, precise, that we are watching the same crater, okay. So I don't find the particular M, so we'll try to find these shapes to be sure. Okay. Yeah, my my Google is not quite good, so we'll try to make clear the image, make clear, so in order to see okay, and find a particular crater that it's talking about. So because I don't find it at the moment, we'll back a bit the video, and to be precise, so to speak. So Dorsum Vancota, Montes Apenninus, okay. Okay, so we'll try to find, okay, Lacus Felicitat, Lacus Oli, okay, and try to go on that. Yep. I did find it the other day. Yeah. Back up a bit. Okay. Again. Dorsum Vancota. Okay. Montes Apenninus. Okay. So Montes Apenninus, Lacus Felicitatis, Odi, Vancota, Dorsum Gast, and above in this area we should find, I apologize, I will eventually stop the video. Okay, Odi, Rimes Sulpicius Gallus here, and right there, like that. Okay. Okay, so I believe it's yeah, I'm sorry. Aratus. Because I have all these things that on his don't show up. And here we are, the only one, I believe there is, Sulpicius Gallus, so we will zoom on that. Yeah, it's the same shape, okay, but I don't understand why it's rotate. Okay, so we'll rotate a bit and see if we find the same. Yeah, not quite the same. Anyway, believe more or less Montes Semus Lacus Odis. So because there is no other Sulpicius Gallus, okay, I believe there is this one. Okay, that is the same that he's trying to make us believe that we live on this little crater. So as always, I will put this image on horizon. Okay, in horizon. So here there is, it's the same one, and we'll zoom a bit on him. This. Look on the horizon again. Okay. So I will try to explain to you, even if we need, so to speak, very good eyes, and I'm sorry because okay, so this is the crater that he's trying to explain, that we live, so to speak, on this little point. So I will try to explain to you that this valley, it's not where we live on the huge moon, but this is on the earth. First of all, we'll back a bit, okay, remembering the Sulpicius, where he is in this part, okay, and we'll back a bit to see on the moon where he is. Okay, so in this part, remember this part, okay, between two big blackish, okay, three blackish points of the moon. So here, more or less. Now we'll go to the earth, and I will show to you that this crater exists. It's not a crater. And do you see how the earth was rotated? But it is here, and it is in fact, okay, so is this crater. We'll put this on three-dimensional, okay. Already do you see how it's making the same form? So we'll try to put this and zoom like that, and in horizontal. Okay, so here is the same crater on the moon, and is in Spain. Okay, so yeah, I know that it's the same thing, people. It's not a crater, it's a part of Spain. If you see this particular shape, it's the same shape of that crater, okay. So here it's the same part, okay. Now do you see the crater like this? So we'll go, we have a bit of time, we go again to the moon. Okay, we find this part here on the moon, okay, here. We'll zoom on that. Okay, we'll zoom again. Here we have Sulpicius Gallus. We'll put this horizon.